automatic, it's systematic, it's hydromatic. Why, it's grease lightning! Grease lightning!
We'll get some overhead lifters and 4-barrel quads, oh yeah.
Keep talking, well, keep talking.
A fuel injection cut off and chrome-plated rods, oh yeah.
I'll get the money, I'll kill to get the money.
With a 4-speed on the floor, they'll be waiting at the door. You know that ain't no shit,
We'll be getting lots of tittin'.
grease lightning. Go, 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 go. Grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile.
Grease lightning, go, grease lightning.
Go, grease lightning, you're coasting through the heat like a trial.
Grease lightning, go, grease lightning.
You are supreme, the chicks are cream for grease lightning. We'll get some purple French tail lights and 30-inch fins, oh yeah.